In this video, I'll show you the best free VPN for making WhatsApp calls in the UAE, including Dubai and Abu Dhabi, and the other Emirates. Before we start, if you want the fastest, most reliable, and fully unrestricted service, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. NordVPN works perfectly in any country and ensures your calls and browsing are completely secure. So the best free VPN in UAE is Proton VPN. Now, to get started with Proton VPN, download the app on your Android or iOS device. Once you open it, you'll see the main interface with a map and a list of available server locations. If you're using the free version, you'll notice that only certain countries are accessible. Some locations are reserved for paid users, but the free servers work perfectly for making WhatsApp calls without interruptions. To change your location in Proton VPN, find the country you are currently connected to, which is usually displayed at the top of the app. Proton VPN will show you a list of available servers in the region, or it may switch you to another server in the same country automatically. If you want to connect to a server in the United States or another country where WhatsApp calls work reliably, tap the country from the list. The app will then begin connecting you to that server, which might take a few moments depending on network conditions. If you're on the free plan and want to try connecting to another country, you can tap Change Server repeatedly until you find a working one. While this is a bit slower than using a paid plan, it's sufficient for making WhatsApp calls without issues. Paid plans on Proton VPN give you access to more countries, faster speeds, and advanced features like streaming access and secure core servers. You can explore these options within the app or on Proton VPN's website. While Proton VPN works well as the best free VPN, if you want the fastest, most reliable, and unrestricted VPN experience in the UAE, NordVPN is the best choice. It offers ultra-fast servers worldwide, advanced encryption, and special features like obfuscation and split tunneling, ensuring your WhatsApp calls and other apps work perfectly every time. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy seamless, secure, and uninterrupted WhatsApp calls in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, or anywhere in the UAE.